That's the intro. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at this luxury skate park in Mason, Michigan. So nice, as you guys can tell. And I'm a little sick, so sorry about that. Hopefully the angle's good. It might fall off any second. Heel kicky. Dude, my head is literally moved. Like the GoPro's really heavy. Yeah, I hope you guys like that hip to flat. Now we're gonna hit up a triple. Like, I love how, if you guys are not new to here, you guys know I'm not this bad, but it's Mason, Michigan. What can I say? The transition is not the best. I might try quad after I do this triple though. I feel like I don't even like land on transition. I land flat. All right, I just changed it up so like it's pointed down more. Hope you guys can see it better. I'm gonna do double finger. Oh. Like the pop is so bad. I really try to stay on to. I think it's because I got a GoPro on my head. Ooh, split out. Oh.
Now get out of my way so I can whip clear the box.
Oh, that's almost so bad. And now we're gonna try quad whip. I think if I just like commit, I'll land it. So let's do that. Oh, I can land that. Oh, nope. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna land my quad, then you land this.
I heard you sack yourself.
And the bar spin. All right, now we're gonna do heel finger. That's the next set. I fall a little bit. Ooh, 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 ooh. Fuck you. All right, so it's been warmed up now. So now it's time to start heel kicky whip. Hopefully I land it kind of soon. It's cold. All right, as you guys can tell from those attempts, we're getting closer. So now I have to put 2 feet on the deck. I wish I landed that so I could be done. No, you. No, like. Ooh, that's the intro. See what I'm talking about?